Content creator apps that I tried out recently, and let's do a quick review. Go with number one is Vita. I personally love it, and that's what I use for my long vlogs, for YouTube, and also many times for my normal reels as well. It is very beginner friendly and it's absolutely free. No watermark or jhanjat at all. Also, you get such a variety of fonts, you get such a variety of effects that you can apply it, and you can really make it a very pro level of editing. So I really love Vita. Next up is edits by Instagram. Oh my god, it is just some next level thing. It is also very beginner friendly. आपको एक दो दिन लग सकता है, but you'll get the hang of it pretty soon. And oh my god, the cool features they have come up with is so amazing. I really love their collection of fonts. I mean, it just goes so aesthetically, and it's so just easy to put it here, there, and do transitions and everything. I personally love it. Again, a very good one. Up we have Veed, which you can use for subtitles, captions, and also titles for your videos. I personally use them for subtitles for my long speaking videos, which I've started doing very recently. And I really like the font that I have used, but the little drawback is कि उनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा option नहीं है when it comes to fonts. It's very limited. And I feel if you're an app intended for that very particular thing, I think you should have more of fonts to explore of for the other people to explore and try out as well. And a little drawback is कि आपको उसको खरीदना पड़ेगा for the thing. It's not free. There is a watermark का झंझट, so that is there. But personally, the one that I use, it's a solid 10 on 10 for me. It works for me, and also I want a very consistent subtitle sort of a thing for all my videos. So it works for me. But if you're somebody जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा experiment करना content के लिए for subtitles and titles and captions, then it might not work for you. But it works for me. So yeah.